In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install MyCleanPC program on your Windows computer. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open any browser of your choice. I'll go ahead and open my Chrome browser here. Then just search for MyCleanPC like that. This will take you to the official MyCleanPC website, www.mycleanpcher.com. Go ahead and click on this. And as you can see here, this is the official website. Speed your computer in minutes. We have a downloadable file here. So to get this you can see it is compatible with Windows. To download it on your Windows computer, click on download now. And this will go ahead and download the MyCleanPC file. You can see the download process is on here. And finally, the download is done. You can see the file is here. Now we need to follow this process. We have to run the MyCleanPC installer and then confirm the installation and finally follow the setup instruction. To do this, just go ahead and click on the download folder here, and mine has been stored under downloads. Now what you need to do is to go ahead and double click on it to run the installer. And so click on yes, and this will go ahead and prepare files. It will extract the main files for this application. And now here we have our file to install. Go ahead and click on install on this setup wizard. So this will go ahead and begin installing MyCleanPC on your desktop. As you can see, we already have a shortcut file for this program here. However, don't close this window until the installation is completely done. Once the installation is done, now you can go ahead on MyCleanPC shortcut here to launch it. So that's how you can download MyCleanPC for free on your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.